So we've done these one-up methods before. They're fairly easy. We are going to then write the exact number of bills and coins down at the bottom of the price of the item. So question number 1 is, how much does the deodorant cost? The deodorant costs $2.35. How many dollars should he use to pay? So if we're going to use the one-up method, we just need to make sure that we have enough money to be able to hand over to pay for that deodorant. So 1 up from $2 is $3. So if we hand over $3, then we're handing over enough money to pay for that deodorant. 1 up from the cost of the item. So $2.35 to $3. That's enough money. So we're going to draw out $2.35. Here's $1. Here's $2. And then I don't have gray on here, so I'm going to have to use blue. So we're going to start with a quarter, 25. And then to get from 25 to 35 is 1 coin. And we've been working really hard on our hundreds charts on this one. 25 to 35 would be a dime. So you're going to count it out. 25, 35. So your page is going to look just like that. The next item is hairspray. The cost of the hairspray is $6.90. $1 up from $6.90 is $7. If you handed over $7 for $6.90 hairspray, you would hand over enough money. So now we're going to draw out $6.90. We're going to start with a $5 bill and then a $1 bill. That's 5, 6. There's our $6. Now we're going to make 90 cents, and we always start with our quarters. We figure out how many quarters we need until we can get as close to our change as possible without going over. So when we count by quarters, we go 25, 50, 75, $1. So I know that 75 cents is going to get me as close as possible without going over. So 25, 25, 25. We count it out down here at the bottom, 25. Oh my goodness. $25, $50, $75. So I need to know how to get from 75 to 90. Well, the next largest coin is a dime. And if I added a dime to 75, I would have 85, which gets me closer. And then if I added another dime, that would take me to 95, but that's too much. So the next biggest coin is a nickel. And 85 plus 5 is 90. It gets me right to 90. So the counting sequence to that is 5, 6, 25, 50, 75, 85, 90. Now we have shaving cream. The cost of the shaving cream is $4.25. The next dollar from $4.25 is $5. Okay, so we're going to draw $4.25, which is pretty easy. We actually just need $4.25. So these are all ones. Here's my $4 and then 25 cents. We don't have to count that one out because it's the only one. So there's our $4.25. Next, you are going to fill this in on your own. Fill in the cost of the face wash and then the next dollar up. I'll do the counting coins and money with you. Here we're going to start with $5. We need to get to $7. So there's 5, 6, 7. Now I need to decide how many quarters I'm going to use. 25, 50, 75. Well, 50 gets me really close. So 25 and 25. So that's 25 and 50. The next size coin is a dime. 50 plus a dime is 60, but that's too much. So I'm going to have to go to a nickel. So 50 plus 5 is 55. And then, hope you can see this, a penny gets me to 56. Okay, now we're going to add to find a total cost. Mario is buying personal grooming items. He buys soap for $4.30, deodorant for $5.20, and face wash for $7.65. Which item costs the most, and how much will this cost altogether? So looking at the amounts of each one of these items, I see a 4, a 5, and a 7. So I know 7 is the biggest number, so I'm going to circle the face wash because it's the most expensive item. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add up my columns. This is the ones place. So I've got 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus, I have nothing to carry. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5 is 5. And then 5 plus 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to put my 1 here, and then I carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 7, look, I've got a 0 here, so I just combine them. 10 plus 7 is 17. 7, and if I carried my 1, I just bring it right back down. So $17.15 is the total cost for all 3 of those items. Moving down, Mary Beth is buying personal grooming items for her hair. She buys a hair dryer for $12.50, hairspray for $3.95, and a brush for $2.25. Which item costs the most, and how much will this cost altogether? So I look at my numbers here, and I have a 12, a 3, and a 2. So obviously the 12 is the most expensive item, the hair dryer. Now I'm going to go and find my total. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Here's my 0. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 15 plus 2 is 16, 17. 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 plus 2, 7, 8 is 8. I don't have to carry anything. And then I just bring down my 1 because there's nothing to add to it. So my total for all 3 of those items is $18.70. You're going to complete these addition problems on your own. Don't forget to circle which item costs more and then add to find your total. No calculators, please.